So this is, as you can see, the CS Civil Services Success Blueprint subject wise sources for GS paper 1, right friends? So you can see here, I have made one flow chart kind of thing, a mind map for the complete book list of GS1 paper 1, right friends? So here you can say geography, economy, science, okay, other learning aids, polity, history, environment, current affairs, complete book list दोस्तों. If you follow this religiously, definitely you are going to get a very good content, very good preparation for clearing this examination, right friends? चलिए, here you can see quickly geography we have mentioned NCERT 9 to 12, then Mahesh Barnwal book is very good, then Ghatnachak Puravalokan. If you follow these three resources, definitely you will have good control over geography for UPPCS. I am telling, just follow NCERT 9 to 12, right? And Mahesh Barnwal book for factual things, many things which are not covered in the NCERT, right? And after reading these two, just you follow Ghatna Chakra Puravalokan series, previous year question papers, practice all those things multiple times also. If you practice 2-3 times, definitely those questions you are going to get very easy while in the. And one thing I was interesting, I am telling, almost 50% questions, repeated questions in UPPCS. Okay, still the pattern is changed now, they are making it more complex, but still almost 50% 40% questions are repeated each based on the previous year question paper. That's why this Ghatna Chakra Puravalokan series is very useful, especially for UPPCS, right? So you please follow this Ghatna Chakra Puravalokan for practicing all the subjects, right? Now, like economy, you can say you just follow 11th, 12th NCERT and Ghatna Chakra Puravalokan and economy by Ramesh Singh for few chapters. Indian economy by Ramesh Singh, few chapters. If you feel that you don't have good content in NCERT, so that you can follow, and budget and economic survey and newspaper. Okay, newspaper you can follow, right? So budget and economic survey and newspaper. These four are enough for economy, right? Now, science. Just read once 6 to 10th NCERT books. जस्ट सिंपल रीडिंग, जस्ट एक बार सिंपली उसको पढ़ लीजिए आप लोग, ठीक है? एनसीईआरटी 6 to 10th अगर आप पढ़ लेंगे तो जस्ट आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा. देन घटना चक्र का जो पूर्वावलोकन सीरीज है, दैट इज सफिशिएंट. इफ यू प्रैक्टिस ऑल प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर्स, almost 50-60% of science and tech questions will be covered in this series, right? And then current events, newspaper and latest, and Lucent also you can follow, okay? Because there are many factual questions which are coming sometimes, which you can find in Lucent, right? Okay, so science, if you follow these sources, that is enough, sufficient. Okay, now polity, polity is very simple actually for aspirants. Most of the aspirants, they feel polity is very good, but sometimes they make questions very tricky, right? So here you can say very famous book, Lakshmikant, Indian Polity by Lakshmikant, that is pet book. You can follow, just blindly you can follow. Just एक बार आप उसको बुक को पढ़ लीजिए, almost 70-80% questions will be from that book. ठीक है? उसके बाद घटना चक्र का जो पूर्वावलोकन सीरीज है, उसको भी प्रैक्टिस कर डालिए. अगर आप पूरा उसको 1-2 बार प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे तो पॉलिटी बहुत ही इजी होगा आपके लिए. एंड देन सम इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का एक चार्ट ले लीजिए, ठीक है? दैट यू कैन पेस्ट इन फ्रंट ऑफ योर स्टडी टेबल. तो आपको क्या है, पूरा पॉलिटी, आपको जो आर्टिकल्स हैं, ओके, आर्टिकल्स पूरा रेडी हो जाएंगे, ठीक है? जो भी अनुच्छेद है, आर्टिकल्स है, ओके. नाउ हिस्ट्री, इफ यू कम, हिस्ट्री यू सी तमिलनाडु बोर्ड 9 to 12 बुक, वेरी गुड. तमिलनाडु बोर्ड, ओके. So Tamil Nadu board 9 to 12th you follow like NCERT, very simple language, बहुत ही सिंपल लैंग्वेज में लिखा गया है दोस्तों। 9 to 12th जो भी इंग्लिश मीडियम के लोग हैं फॉलो कर सकते हैं। तो उसमें क्या है, आपको पूरा हिस्ट्री का एक जिस्ट मिल जाएगा। देन मॉडर्न इंडिया बाय स्पेक्ट्रम, वेरी famous book, Modern India by Spectrum Bipin Chandra, that you can follow. Here also Ghatnachak Purvalokan, very important. So if you follow these three resources for history, almost 90% questions will be covered from these resources, right friends? I hope you are getting what I'm trying to say. How to go about this examinations, what are the sources I have made in this complete one map, mind map. ठीक है? Now, environment you follow. Nowadays, environment and ecology number of questions they have increased. Even in UPSC, sometimes they are asking more than 15-20 questions from environment and ecology. पर्यावरण से आजकल लगभग 15 से 20 क्वेश्चंस इवन इन यूपीएससी और यूपीपीसीएस में भी क्वेश्चंस पूछे जा रहे हैं दोस्तों, ठीक है। तो ये बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट हो जाता है इन्वायरमेंट के टॉपिक्स को अच्छे से पढ़ के जाना, ठीक है। चलो, इसके रिसोर्सेज क्या क्या हो सकते हैं। शंकर आईएएस बुक, वेरी फेमस बुक, शंकर आईएएस, one book is there that is sufficient, you will cover almost 70-80% content from that book, right? वो हिंदी और इंग्लिश दोनों में आती है दोस्तों। शंकर आईएएस की बुक ले लीजिए आप, उसको अच्छे से पढ़ डालिए, ठीक है। देन इसका भी घटना चक्र का जो पूर्वावलोकन सीरीज है इन्वायरमेंट का, उसके बाद उसको पढ़ लीजिए। ऑलमोस्ट 90% क्वेश्चन विल बी कवर्ड फ्रॉम दैट, बट यू नीड टू प्रैक्टिस मोर, ओके। So for practicing all those subjects and Ghatna Chakra Purvalokan series, we have come up with the plan 50 days revision plan for UP PCS, right? So please join this initiative for covering all those subjects and previous year question papers, right? So, and for environment, just selected chapters of 11th and 12th bio book. Some biology concepts for related to environment is 11th and 12th books, few chapters, not all chapters you have to read, only few chapters you have to read for environment, right? Now then again, current affairs for UPPCS becomes very important, बहुत ही important हो जाता है, क्योंकि almost 30 to 35 questions current affairs से आते हैं। तो यूपीपीएस का एग्जाम है वो बहुत ही ट्रिकी हो जाता है। अगर आपने करंट अफेयर्स में 60-70% क्वेश्चन, 70% 80% सही कर लिए तो आपके सिलेक्शन का चांसेस बढ़ जाता है। सो यू विल हैव वेरी बेटर चांस टू गेट सिलेक्टेड और गेट क्वालिफाइड इन द प्रीलिम्स, राइट। सो करंट अफेयर्स थोड़ा अच्छे से देख लेते हैं। करंट अफेयर्स में यहाँ पे क्या है, चीज़ें बहुत अच्छे से कवर करनी पड़ेंगी, ठीक है दोस्तों। तो पहला बहुत सारा कन्फ्यूजन रहता है कि करंट अफेयर कहाँ से पढ़ें, इतने सारे रिसोर्सेज हैं। कोई कहता है न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ लो, कोई कहता है मैगजीन पढ़ लो, कोई कहता है न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, डोंट रीड न्यूज़पेपर, या कोई कहता है कि बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, आप डेली ऑनलाइन न्यूज़ ऐप्स हैं, यूट्यूब चैनल्स हैं, उससे नोट्स बनाओ। बहुत ही ज़्यादा कन्फ्यूजन है दोस्तों। इट्स वेरी कन्फ्यूजिंग हाउ टू प्रिपेयर करंट अफेयर्स फॉर सिविल सर्विसेज, फॉर यूपीपीसीएस ऑल्सो एंड यूपीएससी ऑल्सो दोस्तों। I have cleared दोस्तों almost 3 UPSC prelims and UPPCS also many, and other than other examination, many examinations by self study only. But you should have clarity what resources you have to study, right? So current affairs becomes very tricky and you need to have a clear path how you are going to cover current affairs. Because last moment if you think that you are going to cover the complete 1 year in just 20 days, 30 days, you will not remember. You will remember just 50%, 30, 60% or 40%, right? So for complete year, you need to have plan how to cover current affairs. उसके लिए हमने देखिए यहाँ पे बहुत ही सिंपल है, आपको कोई एक न्यूज़पेपर फॉलो करना है। जो लोग कहते हैं कि न्यूज़पेपर की ज़रूरत नहीं है, आई डोंट एग्री विद देम। न्यूज़पेपर मस्ट है आपको यूपीपीएससी या कोई भी सिविल सर्विसेज एग्जामिनेशन के लिए न्यूज़पेपर बहुत ही ज़रूरी है। यू हैव टू फॉलो वन न्यूज़पेपर। नाउ हिंदी मीडियम से हैं अगर आप, तो आप बहुत सारे हिंदी मीडियम के न्यूज़पेपर्स हैं। अगर इंग्लिश मीडियम में है तो आप द हिंदू इज बेस्ट, आई थिंक, एज पर माई नॉलेज। ओके, सम पीपल दे फॉलो टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया और इकोनॉमिक टाइम्स, बट द हिंदू, ओके, इट इज गुड, इट विल कवर ऑलमोस्ट मेनी your content, right? Dainik Jagran also, if you are from Hindi medium, you can follow Dainik Jagran, right? So one newspaper, you just fix it. One newspaper is very, very important. Just fix. You have to follow one newspaper for complete 1 year, not just last moment during examination, right? So complete year you have to follow one newspaper. Then Ghatna Chakra, one monthly magazine comes. Okay. So this is first. Second resource is Ghatna Chakra monthly magazine, which points out the all important events that you can follow monthly. You just follow monthly. You purchase monthly and complete before the next magazine comes, right? Then Ghatna Sar, yearly magazine. Okay. So before examination, almost 15 days, 20 days, or sometimes 1 month or 1 month, they will release Ghatna Sar yearly magazine that you purchase before 1 month, and you read complete content for this Ghatna Sar. Okay. This will cover most of the content for current affairs and Vision IAS monthly magazine, just for reference, because it is mostly targeted for UPSC, but they have very good content. You can refer for just reference. You just go through if you have not covered any important events, important things from current affairs perspective. You just refer this Vision IAS magazine. There you will get good content. Okay, just for reference. You need not to follow for UPPCS especially, right? So these four resources are enough for current affairs, right? If you follow these resources for current affairs, you need not to worry. You will clear these examinations with very good marks. Okay. So this is all about the complete subject-wise resources for GS paper 1, right friends? We have seen the concise resources, minimum resources, and you have to get the maximum benefit from these resources. If you minimize the resources, then only you can clear this examination, because there are so many content on each subject in online form, offline form, even YouTube channels. They have a lot of content. So it's like flooding the content, mostly online YouTube channels and other things. So you need to follow minimum book list and then practice previous question papers like this initiative. Please join our 50 days revision plan. It's a free of cost, without any fee. Just you have to download the whiteboard online app and you just practice daily, day wise questions, quizzes, and you see the ranking also. Okay, and analysis also. Right friends? So I hope you have understood the resources for this GS paper 1, General Studies paper 1 for UPPCS examination. Okay. Chaliye, moving forward now, we will see quickly. We will see quickly the GS2 paper resources. Okay. So GS2, CSAT, I think you may be knowing, but CSAT has also become very tricky. Many aspirants, they fail in the CSAT, but they clear GS1 with very good marks. Sometimes it is also happen, especially in UPSC. But UPPCS also, the paper of GS2 has become very tricky, and many aspirants, they are failing in GS paper 2, CSAT paper, and they are clear. That is very painful actually. If you clear GS paper 1 and if you don't clear GS paper 2, it becomes very painful because if you feel that you have a good content, good knowledge in general studies, but GS, which is qualifying also, just you have to get 33%. Okay, sorry, 33%. But still, many people are failing because they take it not that much seriously. Okay, you need not to study complete year, but at least during examination, before examination, 1 month, just to practice daily one set. Just to practice on whatever the previous papers are available. Definitely you will clear, and you can refer those some resources, whatever the static sources. So here just quickly we will see these are the resources like CS I have mentioned. It's qualifying, need not to be a topper. Previous question paper just 33% required. Okay. So already I have explained it's qualifying in nature. Just you have to get 33%. Okay. This will not be counted for you, counting your rank or merit in the UPPCS prelims, right? This is qualifying. If you qualify, you get 33%. That's enough. They will prepare the merit based on your paper 1 marks, right? So mainly here reasoning, English, basic maths and Hindi. And there are some decision making, communication part is there. So basically these things will be the part of GS paper 2, right? Reasoning, you know, like any basic reasoning books is sufficient. Practice makes man perfect, that you must be knowing. So just practice previous year question papers. Okay, that is enough. Reasoning will be covered. Any basic reasoning you just refer. Now English, any basic I have R.S. Agrawal or something or some. Okay, practice just previous year question papers, that will be sufficient. Now basic maths also. Okay, same here also. Hindi, Prithvinath Pandey, P.N. Pandey is there. One book is there, P.N. Pandey. Okay, so that you can refer for weighing the Hindi, उसमें शब्द विलोम, अर्थ, then मुहावरे, लोकोक्तियाँ, पैसेज, ठीक है, संदर्भ, भावार्थ, all those things will be covered. That simple 10th level question paper, I think you easily you can cover, right? And Silpi publication book, solved papers are there, that you can refer for practicing the previous year papers. So this will be sufficient for clearing this CSAT paper 2, right? So I hope you have understood the complete, a very concise and gist of the paper GS1, GS2, what are the resources required, how you have to go for this examination, right friend? Now, so till now we have discussed the complete resource or book list of the GS1, GS paper 2, okay? I hope you have understood the complete book list, how you have to go, what are the resources there. Now, the exam is, as you know, exam is on 27th October 2024, okay? So now you have less than 50 days. So that's why this initiative for 50 days plan we are discussing. So please join. For already I have explained the complete things. For getting benefits, you have studied, you have covered the syllabus. Please join this initiative. It's a free of cost, without any fee. It's completely free. You can practice daily 20-25 questions, different based on the subjects, current affairs, which is going to very helpful for candidates in prelims examination, right friends? So please download the whiteboard online app, where you will get all the questions, all the things, ठीक है, ठीक है दोस्तों. सो डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया हुआ है जिसके दोनों के लिए. प्लीज ज्वाइन टेलीग्राम ग्रुप ऑल्सो, वेयर यू विल गेट ऑल द इन्फॉर्मेशन रिलेटेड विद दिस practice session 50 days plan, right friend? So thank you for watching this video doston. So please like and subscribe this channel also. So thank you, see you in the next lecture with the new content. Thank you.